Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can delete the last blank page on your document in the Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So open your document. Now I have my document in here and I have this last blank page that I want to delete. So I'm going to share it to you two ways, okay? So click on your view tab right here at the top. So you have the ribbon right here at the top. Now click on the view tab. And here you will find a navigation pane. Check this box. And here you'll find headings, pages, and results. Now click on the pages and then click on the page that you want to delete. So I want to delete the third page, which is the blank page. Now click the backspace key or delete key on your keyboard. And there you go. You have just deleted the blank page on your Microsoft Word, the last blank page. Now another way, so let me quickly add. So press Ctrl plus G on your keyboard. G as in guava. Ctrl plus G. It's Ctrl plus G. And this window will appear. Now you have to type in here, enter the page number. You just need to type backslash page. It's backslash page, and then you have to click on close and then press or place your mouse or cursor into the last blank page and then hit the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. And that's it. So with that two ways, you can easily delete the last blank page on your Microsoft Word document. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.